Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Infinity English. My name is William, and today we're going to practice English by talking about clothes and fashion. This is a beginner-friendly shadowing session, so you can repeat with me slowly anytime you want. You can do this while relaxing, walking, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you like clothes? Do you like clothes? Today, we will practice talking about clothes and fashion in English. Today, we will practice talking about clothes and fashion in English. It's a fun and useful topic. It's a fun and useful topic. Talking about clothes helps you speak naturally in English. Talking about clothes helps you speak naturally in English. I like casual clothes. I like casual clothes. Sometimes I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Sometimes I wear shorts and a shirt. Casual clothes are comfortable. Casual clothes are comfortable. I also like formal clothes. I also like formal clothes. Sometimes I wear a suit. Sometimes I wear a suit. Sometimes I wear a dress shirt and pants. Sometimes I wear a dress shirt and pants. Formal clothes are good for work. Formal clothes are good for work. I like different colors. I like different colors. Sometimes I wear bright colors. Sometimes I wear dark colors. Colors make my clothes look nice. Colors make my clothes look nice. I also pay attention to shoes. I also pay attention to shoes. Sometimes I wear sneakers. Sometimes I wear boots. Shoes complete the outfit. Shoes complete the outfit. Now let's talk about accessories. Now let's talk about accessories. I like wearing hats. I like watches. I sometimes wear scarves. I sometimes wear scarves. Accessories can make clothes more interesting. Accessories can make clothes more interesting. Sometimes I like shopping for clothes. Sometimes I like shopping for clothes. I go to the mall. I go to the mall. I also shop online. I also shop online. Shopping helps me find new styles. Shopping helps me find new styles. Let's practice useful phrases. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. I want to try these shoes. I want to try these shoes. Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another size? How much is this? How much is this? I like these colors. I like these colors. Sometimes I describe my clothes. Sometimes I describe my clothes. I am wearing a blue t-shirt. I am wearing a blue t-shirt. I have black jeans. I have black jeans. I wear white sneakers. I wear white sneakers. I like my hat. I like my hat. Let's practice fashion words. Shirt, shirt. Pants, pants. Dress, dress. Shoes, shoes. Hat, hat. scarf, scarf, watch, watch, jacket, jacket. Sometimes I talk about fashion trends. Sometimes I talk about fashion trends. I like modern styles. I like modern styles. I like classic styles. I like classic styles. Fashion changes every season. Fashion changes every season. I enjoy learning about new trends. I enjoy learning about new trends. Let's practice questions. Let's practice questions. What clothes do you like? What clothes do you like? Do you like casual or formal clothes? Do you like casual or formal clothes? What is your favorite color to wear? What is your favorite color to wear? Do you like shopping for clothes? Do you like shopping for clothes? Do you wear accessories? Do you wear accessories? Let's practice answers. Let's practice answers. I like casual clothes. I like casual clothes. I wear jeans and t-shirts often. I wear jeans and t-shirts often. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Yes, I like shopping for clothes. Yes, I like shopping for clothes. I sometimes wear hats and watches. I sometimes wear hats and watches. Sometimes I describe my outfit to others. Sometimes I describe my outfit to others. I say, I am wearing a red dress. I say, I am wearing a red dress. I say, I have black shoes. I say, I have black shoes. I say, I like this jacket. I say, I like this jacket. Describing clothes helps me practice English. Describing clothes helps me practice English. Small steps help me talk about fashion. Small steps help me talk about fashion. I try to practice phrases every day. I try to practice phrases every day. I feel confident describing my clothes. I feel confident describing my clothes. Talking about clothes is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Talking about clothes is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Talking about clothes and fashion is fun and very useful for daily conversation. Shadowing helps you speak fluently, clearly, and confidently. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm William, and this is Infinity English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.